Guys, there are electric toothbrushes and then there are electric toothbrushes. Let's talk about it. Okay, so bottom line, not all electric toothbrushes are created equal. Just because your electric toothbrush has an on-off button doesn't mean it will actually do the work for you, a concept we often associate with electric toothbrushes. Here's what I mean. There are the powerful sonic type electric toothbrushes, including but not limited to Sonicare, Oral-B, O-Clean, Y10 Pro, Leifen, and the Ollie Smart Clean. And then there are simple battery-operated electric toothbrushes, such as the Quip, Hum, and the Crest Spin Brush. Now, instead of sitting here and trying to explain to you why these two categories of electric toothbrushes are not on the same level, let me just show you. So I've caked on some flour water mixture onto my fake teeth, dyed it purple so you can see it a little bit better. And then I'm gonna compare the Oral-B IO here to the Quip electric toothbrush. So with the Oral-B, I'm just going to turn it on here. Here we go. See how I'm just holding it and it removes all the gunk. Hopefully you get the idea. And then check out the Quip on the other side here. So hopefully you can see how just holding it to the tooth won't actually remove much. I mean, you can even hear that it's not as powerful as the Oral-B. Okay, now let me explain why you're seeing what you're seeing. So the Oral-B actually offers vibrations of up to approximately 49,000 movements per minute, while the Quip only achieves up to 15,000 movements per minute. So less than half of what the Oral-B offers. Basically, definitely a lot less powerful. Now, the other key difference is the motor size and mechanism of action. So take a look at the Quip here. It's actually powered by a small battery here, and when you press on this little button here, the plate actually just vibrates, which in turn vibrates the entire toothbrush. A real electric toothbrush has a motor shaft which moves a rod that is directly connected to the brush head, focusing all the power onto the bristles, which is what allows the brush to do the work for you. So take a look at this Oral-B, for example. There's an actual rod here, and there's a rod inside of here as well. So when you connect the two and press the button, the on button, it actually rotates the entire brush head as well as pulsates it or like vibrates it to achieve that do the work for you type of clean. The truth is, when I contacted Quip, they actually clarified and told me that you still have to use it like a manual toothbrush in order to achieve good results. By the way, if you guys are finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So anyway, if you want to get an electric toothbrush that will actually do the work for you, make sure to grab a true electric toothbrush with a motor shaft like the one I described in the Oral-B. Now, even among true electric toothbrushes, there are some that are better and some that are worse, but that's for another video. Comment which type of brush you use or any questions you might have. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.